In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an offer letter in DocuSign. By the end, you'll confidently send a polished offer for e-signature without any confusion or back and forth. Start by opening DocuSign in your browser and logging into your account. Make sure you're using the correct work account so everything routes properly. Once you're on the dashboard, look for Start, then go to Envelopes and choose Send an Envelope. In DocuSign, an envelope is simply the container that holds your document, your recipients, and all the signing instructions. Next, upload your offer letter. Click Upload and select your finalized file, whether it's a PDF or a Word document. It's a good idea to proofread and confirm all details, like job title and compensation, are correct before you upload. If formatting matters, consider using a PDF to preserve the layout exactly as intended. Now add your recipient. Enter the candidate's name and email, and set their role to signer, so they're authorized to complete the fields. If you need others to be notified, add them as CC recipients, such as HR or a manager. CC recipients won't sign. They'll just receive a copy for visibility. Double-check the email addresses to avoid delays. If you don't have DocuSign yet, you'll find the official website link and mobile app download link at the very top of the description so you can get set up quickly. Before placing fields, add a short message to guide the candidate. This appears in the email they receive and sets expectations. For example, please review and sign your offer letter by the end of the week. You can keep it warm, clear, and professional so the recipient knows what to do and by when. Click Next to open the document editor. Here, drag and drop the fields exactly where the candidate should act. Add signature where they'll sign, date signed right beside it, and initials if you want them to acknowledge specific sections. If your document needs it, include text fields for items like start date or salary that the candidate can confirm. Place fields precisely and use the zoom tools to align everything neatly. When everything looks correct, click Preview to double-check the flow and make sure no fields are missing or misplaced. If it all checks out, click Send. DocuSign will email the offer letter to the candidate for signing, and any CC recipients will be notified automatically. That's it. You logged in, created an envelope, uploaded your offer, added recipients and instructions, placed the signing fields, and sent it. Thanks for watching.